Samantala, walang kinalaman sa performance ni PNP Chief Nicanor Bartolome ang mungkahi ni Pangulo Aquino na ilagay ito sa non-duty status kung hindi ito maagang magre-retiro. Reaksyon ito ng palasyo sa mga batikos kay Bartolome na umano'y hindi maganda ang performance ito, partikular sa pagtugis sa mga high-profile fugitives. Niliwanag ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacierda na nais lamang ng Pangulo na makapaghanda ang susunod na PNP Chief. Ito'y upang matiyak ang seguridad ng midterm elections. Nakatakdang magretiro si Bartolome sa March 16 sa kasagsagan ng panahon ng kampanya.
The response of Chief PNP Bartolome has certainly been positive. But as to whether they're going to meet, that's another matter. I don't know yet if there's a plan for the President and Chief Bartolome to meet yet. But we'll let you know. But I think the idea of putting PNP Chief Bartolome certainly realizes the need to ensure the peace and order during the elections, and hence the need for an early preparation for someone to be in charge of securing the safety of, or rather in charge of securing the peace during the elections. So hence Secretary Marojas has designated Mr. Purisima to oversee the elections. This is really looking forward and being proactive in the situation. We'd like to minimize, if not totally eliminate, violence during elections.